Pronouns and their kinds. While we speak or write, it is better to avoid repeating the same word. In order to avoid repeating the same noun, we use some other word. A word used in this way in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Read the sentences given below. Saina Nehwal is a sports person. Saina Nehwal plays badminton. Saina Nehwal plays well. Saina Nehwal became the first Indian woman to reach the singles quarterfinals at the Olympics. Instead of using the noun Saina Nehwal again and again, we can replace it with a pronoun and write as Saina Nehwal is a sports person. She plays badminton. She plays well. She became the first Indian to reach the singles quarterfinals at the Olympics. Some other examples of pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, his, her, theirs, them, myself, who, these. Kinds of pronouns. First, personal pronoun. Second, possessive pronoun. Third, reflexive pronoun. Fourth, emphatic pronoun. Fifth, interrogative pronoun. Sixth, demonstrative pronoun. Seventh, indefinite pronoun. Eighth, distributive pronoun. Ninth, relative pronoun. Personal pronouns. A pronoun that stands for a person or thing is called a personal pronoun. Examples: Poonam is a new student. Earlier, she was studying in Pune. Rohan visited Kolkata and Chennai last month. They are very big cities. What is the shape of this table? It is rectangular. I am participating in the quiz competition. Personal pronouns refer to three persons, namely first, second, and third person. First person, the speaker of the sentence. Example: I, we. Second person, the person spoken to. Example: you. Third person, the person that the speaker is talking about. Example: he, she, it, they. Possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. Examples: this car is mine, not yours. This house is ours. He lost his books. He need yours. Here, mine, yours, ours indicate possession, hence they are possessive pronouns. The following table indicates the different forms of possessive pronouns. Person. Number. Singular, plural. First, mine, yours. Second, yours, yours. Third, his, male, hers, female, theirs. Reflexive pronouns. A pronoun in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself is called a reflexive pronoun. Examples: she locked herself in a room. We will solve the problem ourselves. Singular, plural. First person, I, we. Myself, ourselves. Second person, you, yourself, yourselves. Third person, he, she, it, himself, herself, itself, themselves. Emphatic pronoun. A pronoun used for conveying emphasis is called an emphatic pronoun. Examples: Jatin himself bakes all the bread. Mother herself stitches her dress. Interrogative pronoun. Words which substitute for nouns and ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. Examples: who told you to do that? Whom are you writing to? Which is your book? Whose are these books? Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is used for pointing out the object or objects to which it refers. Examples: This is a costly book. These are my favorite songs. That is Rena's house. Those are his clothes. In the above sentences, the words this, that, these, and those are called demonstrative pronouns because they are used for demonstrating or pointing out persons or things. First, this and that are used in the singular number and these and those in the plural number. Second, this and these refer to things near at hand. Third, that and those refer to things lying at a distance. Demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Read the sentences given below. This is my house. This stands for the noun house. Therefore, it is a pronoun. This house is mine. This qualifies the noun house. Therefore, it is an adjective. These are woolen gloves. Demonstrative pronoun. These gloves are woolen. Demonstrative adjectives. We should remember that an adjective is usually placed just before the noun it qualifies. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refer to persons or things in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Examples: all are invited to tonight's party. Many were invited, but few came to the party. One cannot believe your version of the story. Some people are born great. In the above sentences, the words all, many, one, and some refer to persons in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Therefore, they are called indefinite pronouns. Examples: anybody, everybody, nobody, somebody, many, anyone, everyone, no one, someone, all, anything, everything, nothing, something, few, none, several, both, each, either, neither. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are those which show that persons or things are taken one at a time or in separate groups. Examples: each of the students has done it. Either of you has done it. I bought 2 books and neither of them is interesting. Neither of the pens is writing well. In the above sentences, the pronouns each, either, and neither refer to a number of persons or things one at a time. Such pronouns are called distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns and distributive adjectives. When distributive pronouns qualify nouns, they become distributive adjectives. First, each girl won a prize. Second, there are shady trees on either side of the road. Third, he has 2 daughters. Neither daughter is at home today. Distributive adjectives. Relative pronouns. The pronouns who, whose, whom, that, and which join 2 sentences and refer back to nouns going before them. They are called relative pronouns. Examples: the man who is wearing the red shirt is my father. The teacher called the students whose average marks were low. The lady whom you met at the door is my